What's up, YouTube? That's the new one for the Hyper. Let's crack this open and see what it is. That's right. New slip-on exhaust for the Hyper. An AR, Austin Racing. The quality of it looks pretty good. I'm gonna take this end piece off and I'll show you the rest of it. Get the embossed logo right here. Here, the etched one right here. And a nice flag there. Oh, it's just gonna look nice on the bike. Oh yeah, it's gonna look real nice. This is what it's gonna look like when I'm finally done. Being it's a slip-on, it should be pretty easy to remove the stock stuff here. Remove a couple of side panels. Yes, sir. Can't wait to install this. It's gonna look good. Hopefully, it sounds good. The stock exhaust doesn't actually sound that bad for it to be a signal signal of the motorcycle. But I want a little bit more sound when I'm on an actual highway and roads and stuff like that. So this is a powder coated black. This is titanium right here. This bag right here obviously is the directions. So we'll pack this and see what we got in here. So directions right here if you need to see. Deposit screen. So it's pretty simple. Obviously, with this being a slip-on, right here we have some DB killers. So what I'm gonna install these DB killers, and I'm gonna install the slip-on on the bike, and then I'll do like a sound comparison with or without the DB killers here, and then I'm most likely gonna rap without them, unless it's like overbearingly too loud. But I doubt it will because it's just a slip-on; it's not a full exhaust. So like I said, we'll do a sound comparison between with and without the DB killers on there. So, and the DB killers look like they're very simple to install. There's a little hole there, right here, and obviously this bolt, once it slides in there like that, and the bolt connects down there like that. So it'll be pretty simple to take them in and out, which I actually like that. That's pretty cool. Comes with the new tools, brackets right here, washers. That's probably for install this exhaust on there, and some stickers. So that's it. That's pretty simple. That's all it comes with. Nothing else other than, oh, another good point about getting a slip-on is no tune required. I don't need to tune the bike or anything like that. Just literally slip it on. So that's a good thing too. So let's go over to the bike and remove this here stock exhaust and start installing that over there. All right, let's go. All right, to start out with, I'm gonna insert these baffles in there, or this baffle. See a little screw right there? I'm gonna unscrew that real quick. For this, you'll need a T15. See, baffles in there. So then we want to slide this in here. Alright, so we got that there, and this washer here. You just sit that right there until you get the stock screw, and then from the bike, and then so we'll go over and remove the stock exhaust. All right, to remove this right here, you'll need to remove this rear side panel right here. So I need a 4mm, just up here. Remove the screw here, right there, if you guys can see, and then underneath here, right there, right over here, 4mm to remove the side panel. Alright, let's pull this off. Right here. Let's set this aside over here. Alright, to remove this, you'll need a 6mm to remove this right here. This screw here. Okay, as you see, we got it removed using the 6mm right here. And also you see it has this red Loctite on it, so whenever you go to replace it, you gotta put more Loctite on it. Set that down there. Okay, next thing you'll need is a this pull tool to get these to remove this right here. To remove these off here, and make sure you gotta have your own too. The kit does not come with one. Sometimes exhausts come with these. But this one did not, so you have to supply your own. And I'm gonna pull right here. Right there. That's off. And just leave that there because I want to reuse it. And alright, there. Now this should just slide right off. Came right off. Set that aside. There. Now let's grab, here's the, move that out the way real quick for you so you guys can see. Here's right here. That's the opening there. So let's grab the Austin Racing one and install that. First, let's install this one here. So you gotta make sure the washer okay guys, as you see, got the stock screw in. Like I said, this is a 6mm. We also have the DB killers in on both. I also went over to the other side and installed this side because it's literally the same steps. You just remove the side panel, remove the stock screw, slide off the stock exhaust, slide this one on, use the stock screw, and the supplied washer is right here, 6mm. Done. Very easy. Easy job. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. Gotta put these back on there. See, they're just attached down here. So I'm gonna pull these back on there and then clean the bike up a little bit and then get it started and see what we see if it sounds any different than stock. All right.
you're testing out this exhaust. This exhaust is insane.